AI scaling has been a hot topic lately, with many saying that we've hit a wall in model improvement. But maybe the truth is that there are still ways to push AI much further, and the key might be in how we think about scaling. There are two main ways to scale AI: pre-training scaling and inference scaling. Pre-training is what people usually think about, feeding tons of data to make the model smarter. But inference scaling is really exciting now. Some people think pre-training scaling is hitting its limits. They suggest that adding more data may lead to smaller gains. It's like squeezing juice from an orange that's almost dry. That's what the noise is about, and we may see diminishing returns on this type of scaling. Inference scaling, on the other hand, perhaps means giving the model more resources to think harder during use. Instead of making the model bigger, maybe we let it spend more compute power figuring out each answer, resulting in more accurate and better responses. As Noam Brown from OpenAI says, there's no wall here. With inference scaling, we can keep pushing. More compute power during inference means better, richer outputs, and maybe there is still so much potential to unlock. This shift isn't just about making AI smarter on its own. It opens up doors for new architectures like multi-agent systems. Imagine AIs collaborating to solve complex problems in real time, thanks to inference scaling. The future of AI isn't just about training harder, it's about thinking smarter when it matters most. I just hope the right people get there first.